Gong. It means 0. This is another Sino-Korean word for 0, often used when reading phone numbers, room numbers, or ID sequences aloud. Say it once. Gong. Example 1. Gong gong ilho. This means room 001. Repeat once. Gong gong ilho. Another example. Gong gong. This means 00. Repeat once. Gong gong. Which example was easier to repeat? Comment 1 or 2. Like and subscribe for more short beginner lessons.